First, viewers, take a moment to watch this video. You can see a girl sitting on a jelly bed and even on a chocolate bed, creating very satisfying ASMR visuals. These types of ASMR videos are extremely trending right now and getting millions of views. So today we are going to generate the same kind of amazing videos step by step. Okay, viewers, first of all, you need to open YouTube, and here I will show you a channel named Satisfy Hub ASMR. On this channel, only 45 videos have been uploaded, and it currently has around 94K subscribers. Now click on the popular section, and I will show you the videos one by one. You can see the first video has 35 million views, the next one has 5.5 million views, another has 2.6 million views, and many other videos have also gained huge views. In these videos, you can see a girl creating very relaxing ASMR content. For example, sometimes she is using watermelon, sometimes jelly, sometimes ice cream, sometimes noodles, and sometimes balloons. She interacts with these objects in a relaxing way, creating satisfying sounds and visuals that people enjoy watching. You can go through all of these videos one by one. Right now, these types of ASMR satisfying videos are extremely trending, and many of them are getting millions of views. And one more important thing, this channel is fully monetized. Now, without wasting time, choose the video you like the most and take a screenshot of it. Okay, viewers, once you have taken the screenshot, we will move to the first step. First, go to ChatGPT. I have already uploaded the screenshot here. Now simply write this prompt. I want to create the same type of video. Please give me text-to-video prompts one by one so I can generate similar videos. After writing this, simply press Enter. Within 1 or 2 minutes, ChatGPT will generate multiple prompts based on the image you provided. These prompts will be closely related to the screenshot you uploaded. As you can see, it has already generated several prompts for me. For example, jelly beans, fruit, chocolate, ice cubes, and many other satisfying ideas. You can review all these prompts one by one. This shows how easy it is to generate prompts. Many creators say that writing prompts is very difficult, but I have shown you a very simple method to generate them quickly. So now, review all the prompts carefully. These prompts are very powerful, creative, and trending. Next, I will copy the first prompt and move to the text-to-video generator. Alright, viewers, now you need to open the Grok website. As you may already know, this platform allows you to generate unlimited AI videos, meaning you can create as many videos as you want. Once the website opens, click on the Imagine option and from there select Video Generation. After selecting the video option, you can choose your preferred aspect ratio. You can select any ratio you like, but in my case, I want a 16:9 video, so I'm selecting 16:9 from the ratio settings. Now, I will paste the first prompt that I copied earlier and then simply click on the Generate button. The AI will usually take around 1 minute to generate the video. And as you can see, after a short wait, the AI has generated my first amazing video. A relaxing girl lying on a jelly bed. Look at how beautiful and satisfying this scene is. The visuals are incredible, and the atmosphere feels very calm and relaxing. You can clearly see how the girl is enjoying the soft jelly surface and experiencing a peaceful moment. Alright, viewers, now let's move on to the second prompt. I will copy the second prompt, paste it here, and again click on Generate. Within about 1 minute, the AI will create another video for us. And here it is. The second text-to-video result is now ready. As you can see, the video has again been generated successfully. The jelly bed scene looks extremely relaxing, and the girl appears to be enjoying the comfortable and soothing environment. Okay, viewers, now let's carefully watch this video. The second prompt has generated a very impressive and visually satisfying video. Great! Now let's move on to the third prompt. I will copy the third prompt, paste it here, and again wait for about 1 minute. After a short wait, you can see that my third video has also been generated successfully. This one shows an ice cube relaxation scene, where the girl is resting on crystal clear ice cubes and experiencing a cool, calming sensation. Alright, viewers, I'll save this video as well. Now I will copy the chocolate bed prompt, paste it here, and again wait for the generation process to complete. And after a short wait, you can see that the chocolate bed video has also been generated. I will save this video too. Now I will continue the same process, copying the next prompts one by one, pasting them here, and generating more videos. As you can see, I'm generating multiple ASMR-style relaxing girl videos, which are currently very trending online. One by one, the AI converts all the prompts into videos. Look at the results. The videos look amazing, visually satisfying, and high quality. The AI has followed the prompts very accurately and generated beautiful scenes. Now I will click on each video one by one and download the ones that I like the most. After downloading all the videos, I will open CapCut. Inside CapCut, I will upload all the generated videos and place them on the timeline. Then I will arrange them in the order I want, deciding which video should appear first and which one should appear later. After arranging everything properly, I will combine all the clips together and create a long video of about 47 minutes. As you can see now, all the videos have been successfully arranged together, and the final video looks amazing. Finally, I will click on the export option and export the video in my preferred settings. Within a few moments, the final long video will be ready. Alright viewers, I hope you really enjoyed today's video and learned something valuable from it. If you liked this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our upcoming videos. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.